Hey there everyone, how's it going? I'm Leon and welcome back to another video. I produce content every day focused around video production, making money online, tutorials and business. So if those are your interests, then be sure to subscribe with notifications turned on. So today I'm bringing you how to add images to videos in OBS. So without any further hesitation, let's begin.
Alright everybody, so as you can see I've loaded up OBS. Essentially just come over to the plus icon or add icon and essentially just go to image. Okay. And then what you want to do is just click browse, and well, come over to images, pictures, and essentially just pick the image you obviously want to insert into OBS. So I'm gonna go for this, and essentially just like that. Well, you've got your image right there. That's how it's done.
Alright everybody, so that's it for how to add images to videos in OBS. If this video is of any value to you, then be sure to subscribe with notifications turned on for more content. Leave a thumbs up on this video to help it rank in search results and to help the channel grow. And if you have any questions or feedback, then please do not hesitate to leave them down below in the comments or leave me a message at leonofficial_17. Thank you all for watching and I'll see you in another video. Take care everybody.